This week on the Gagasi FM News Wrap with Ms. Phumelele Zondi, sisemacaleni inkantolo silapha kuJulius Malema. Uthi he will be appealing. Bese kuba uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ungathi he's got a new role, top cop yala KZN. Bese kuyoba ilele yacala la aka it's moving to the Durban Magistrates Court. That's the Gagasi FM News Wrap with Ms. Phumelele Zondi.
Politics, justice, umnotho, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Siphumelele Zondi.
Hey Daola, and welcome to the Gagasi FM News Wrap with Ms. Phumelele Zondi. This week, sinalo le daba lwe-leader ye-EFF uJulius Malema who will be appealing his sentencing. Bese kuba ilamani zakandimande, they're accused of killing aka Leah Durban Magistrates Court. UJulius Malema, leader ye-EFF, has been sentenced to 5 years and 2 years, and the two sentences will be running concurrently. Isentencing yenzeke laphaya kuGompo. Kanti njengoba aphila nje selzoya laphaya e-Magistrates Court eMakhanda. Kodwa ke ungathi ummeli wakhe uThembeka Ngcukaitobi akaneme neze uthi i-wrong le sentence ekhishiwe.
That the public trial itself has a shaming effect on the public representative. It has a shaming effect on the public representative because already people are saying, oh, well, why should he not lose his seat in Parliament? Why should he not lose his seat in the JSC? And the fact that, my ladies, the fourth part of it is that we are not asking for a no punishment. We are simply asking for a non-custodial punishment. And no one can sensibly say that other forms of punishment do not constitute punishment, which is the zero-sum argument posited by the state. There is only one punishment as far as they are concerned, is custodial. So what we say, my ladies, is that you have a range of penal options that would reflect the society's disapproval of, I would say, public misconduct by public representatives.
Now, Julius Malema has expressed his unhappiness. Washo nezinto eziningi ngayo i-AfriForum ethathe lolu daba la isenkantolo. Uzokhumbula ukuthi uboshelwe ukuthi waqhumisa isibhamu lapha ngo-2018 kwi-event yayo i-EFF eyayenzeka khona lapha e-Eastern Cape. Uthi he will be appealing now.
The verdict, we are going to appeal this case until the highest court in the land. And when you say you are appealing a case, it doesn't mean you don't show remorse. It means you disagree with the conclusion of the magistrate and therefore you appeal. It is allowed by the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa.
Kanti ke nabaningi sebeshilo ukuthi yini abayicabangayo about this case. No Secretary General wayo i-African National Congress ANC uFikile Mbalula uke washo ukuthi ungathi usola i-AfriForum yokuthi ayibathandisisi abantu abamnyama ikakhulukazi uma belwela abantu abamnyama. Sibuze naniki imbalo ukuthi yini niyicabangayo ngalo leli cala lakhe uJulius Malema.
Mina ngibona ukuthi Malema kulutho abosho bamanje baningi osomathu abangase basizakale ngoba ngagcina sokuluthwa manje mase thu uyabosha uMalema.
If yena ebosha, why amanye ama political members angabosha? Because I feel like he's not the only one who has done it before. So if ukubosha yena, why nabanye bengabosha?
Ukuthi nje abanye abantu basepolitiki bazama ukuthi kumcindezela ngandlela zonke manje.
Ufarishe iarm and in South Africa it's like it's legal. Illegal ukuthi ke uvela ufarishe iarm nje anyway because kungalimala abantu lapha. Yes, they were celebrating but kungalimala abantu, so that's what I think.
As much as Malema wrong, but 5 years is too drastic for firing a firearm. I think this story it's based on one side. I think it should be based on two sides. I myself have a gun license, but I don't have a gun. So I know for a fact that if I get a gun, I'm not allowed to give someone else his pamsam without, even if they do have a license, I'm not allowed to give them my gun because it's my gun. The law states that. So the constitution or the judge focuses on Malema. Why don't they focus on the white person that gave Malema the gun at the first place?
U-Provincial Commissioner wamaphoyisa la kwisifundazwe sase-KZN u-Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthi use-appointwe kwi-role entsha e-appointwa uFani Masemula ekuyena ophethe amaphoyisa kuzwelonke la eSouth Africa. Uthi his role is to play oversight kwizinto ze-organized crime ezenzekayo kwi-South Africa yonke. Kodwa-ke uthi he will not be leaving his role le phela of being the top cop kwisifundazwe sakhona la KwaZulu-Natal.
I'm here to deliver the service, and I'll make sure that we continue doing so, whether I'm doing it full-time in the province or I'm doing it partially from the national office. The tasking the National Commission is giving me is that of making sure that we assist in coordinating the fight against organized crime in the country. So KZN is also affected.
So the way this appeal is going to be happening, ukuthi izosuka laphaya court le ekade ikuyona high court. I-high court ise Makhanda isishiloke i-Economic Freedom Fighters yona EFF leyo ukuthi they are willing to go to the highest court in the land, that is the Constitutional Court, uma kuwukuthi abagculiseki ngama-ruling nama-judgment enzekayo kulama courts ahlukahlukene njengoba esentensiwe u-5 years. I-court system yase-South Africa-ke iyakuvumela ukuthi with any case, if you are not happy ngendlela ogwetshwe ngayo, if you are not happy with the judgment or the ruling that's happened in any court, ukuthi ungaya kwamanye ama-court uyigculise nawe ukuthi sewuzame konke and lokho okufunayo mhlambe akwenzeki noma aweneme njengoba naye uJulius Malema esho ukuthi akaneme neze neze. Liyaqala lo rapper aka who was murdered endaweni yobumnandi lapha ku Florida Road khona la eThekwini is going to the Durban Magistrates Court. Seliyamuva lishintsha inkantolo and it was uqhubeka on the 19th of June this year. Uzokhumbula ukuthi iLamani uMalusi no Siyabonga bakandimande batholakala beseSwatini and omakhelwane khona kule yandla batholakala kuyona bathi ungathi babehluleka no kuyibamba ngendlela ababegroova ngayo kuphithizela kukhona amantombazane kukhona wenane kuleyo ndlu kwathiwa khono sekwenzeka kulendlu and then they alerted authorities khona laphaya eSwatini kwase kuyabonakala ukuthi ungathi ilabantu who are suspected of having murdered aka and then authorities in South Africa spoke to authorities eSwatini ukuthi leyilamani zakandimande zibuye zize eSouth Africa where the case has been taking place. It's now going to the Durban Magistrates Court on the 19th of June where it's going to be taking place. And maybe when it continues, kuyoke kucace ukuthi izinto eziningi ezingenzi sense about the murder of aka ukuthi engabe kwenziwelani, engabe uma kukhona bakhipha imali bayikhipha beyikhiphelani yona leyo mali, if these are really the people who have really murdered aka as they have been suspected of doing so njengoba icala lizoqhubeka. Mhlambe kuningi okuyosikhanyela because for the last couple of years behlale kune question mark naleya ndawo ke seyashintsha yaze yashintsha nanegama ekhona lapha ku Florida Road ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi mhlambe babona ukuthi ingase isatshwe masaqhubeka ibizwa ngaleliya gama ebibizwa ngalo ngaphambilini. Kodwa ke siyobona ukuthi kwenzekani when that case continues in the Durban Magistrates Court. All right, and that's all we have for you. Mina nawe soyikhuluma bukhoma uma sehlangana. From me, uSiphumelele Zondi. Sale kahle.
Catch a brand new episode njalo ngolwesihlanu ngo4 ntambama. You can watch the vodcast noma ungalalela i-podcast kwi-app yethu noma inini noma kuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.